to come, wishing I had strength to stand. This is not what I had planned. It's out of my control. Flying at the speed of light, thoughts were spinning in my head. So many things were left.
Please find me and say, even if the world unites into flames, you'll be right here by my side. And as it burns away, you smile at me and say that not even death could take me away from you.
Until I fade away, why give up? Why give in? It's not enough, it never is. So I will go on until the end. We've become desolate. It's not enough, it never is. But I will go on until the end. Surround me, it's easy.
Here she starts to die in her brilliant shiny way. Funny alive, almost ready to smile. Love like funny alive, almost ready to smile. Love like all my complaints shrink to nothing. I'm ashamed of. Hey, I heard you were a wild one. Ooh, if I took you home and be a woman, show me how you do. I wanna shut down the cloud with you. Hey, I heard you like the wild ones, wild ones, wild ones.
Oh, I like crazy, foolish, stupid, probably going wild, fist pumping music, I might lose it, glass.
Let's make it in. I feel it deep within. It's just beneath the skin. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I hate what I've become. The nightmare's just begun. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I feel like a monster. I feel like a monster. My secret side I keep hid under lock and key. I keep it just like before. Everything you say to me takes me one step closer to the edge, and I'm about to break. I need a little room to breathe, 'cause I'm one step closer to the edge. I'm about to break. I find the answers aren't so clear. Wish I could find a way to disappear. All these thoughts, they make no sense. I found bliss in ignorance. Nothing seems to go away. Over and over again. So many girls in here, where do I begin? I see this one, I'm about to go in. And she said, I'm here with my friend. She got me thinking, and that's when I said, where them girls at, girls at?
bitch. A sexy bitch. Damn, you's a sexy bitch. Damn, girl.